Using Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, but still struggling with reports, adoption, or manual work. Many businesses invest in Business Central expecting smoother operations, but instead, they face low user adoption, too many customizations, inaccurate or delayed reporting, and teams still working in Excel. Here's the truth. The problem usually isn't Business Central itself. It's how the system is implemented and aligned with your processes. Without the right approach, even powerful ERP systems underperform. Common issues include poor process mapping, over-customization, limited user training, and no clear optimization roadmap. The solution is expert guidance. By optimizing your implementation, you can improve reporting accuracy, increase user adoption, reduce manual work, and streamline finance and operations. Metaoption is a Microsoft solution partner with over 20 years of ERP consulting experience. We help businesses implement, optimize, and scale Dynamics 365 Business Central the right way. Want to get more value from Dynamics 365 Business Central? Connect with the Metaoption team for a free consultation and start streamlining your operations today.